everyone, Yui here, back with another Brawl video. It's me versus Blue again, because I want revenge, and I'm using my birds this time.
Yui's petty.
I want revenge!
Alright, cool. So I'll just do my list. So why does Yui want revenge? Well, it's because I'm playing birds as well. So I got my Penji with the Chrome Wings. And got the Galaxy Ventry with Chrome Wings. And then I got the regular Penji core.
I have the OG bird team. Cause the Galaxy Ventry, Strike, Brawl, Penji, and Core Ventry. I need that. That's what I need.
You need
help.
You know, that's one of those questions that you just ask somebody and they answer it, you know?
Alright, bring it on.
Alright. Actually, no, you're doing that. I'll do this.
Oh boy.
Oops, backwards. Alright, 3,
2, 1, Bakugan.
Whoa, which one's which?
I'm keeping an eye.
They're going too fast!
Besides the fact I think you have the blue bottom.
Yeah, I do. I have the apple bottom.
Boots with the fur.
Oh!
I opened.
Oh, wow.
Cheater.
Oh, that's crazy. Did you not see what opened?
Wait, that one has a blue bottom.
No, it doesn't.
Did you check?
Yes, I'm showing the camera right now.
Look at the top of it. It's blue.
It's more of a purple.
Sure.
Alright, who are you gonna pick next? Yugi boy.
Why his name is you?
Yugi boy.
Grandpa. Ready?
3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Hey! Oh.
I am on red.
I'm on red as well. Flip.
Bird bonus.
No, no.
So let's see, that is 800 plus another 400 with another 400. 16!
This guy's cheating.
No, I'm not.
Go back to the other one.
I'm at 11.
Bangy.
Pain.
Of course, now I'm left with my core of entry.
Yeah, that was his big party trick, man. Now you can.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Just slam into a wall. I'm not even gonna open it. My tail's stuck.
I win.
Wait, what if when I stop? No, okay.
What if when he lifts up his, yours?
Round 1 goes to Yui.
Well.
He was bloodthirsty.
Uh-oh.
I'm out for vengeance.
You like that one guy from 40K?
I'm Batman.
Batman, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, from the
That's
tower,
who,
Batman?
That's who Henry Cavill's supposed to play. The God King himself, Batman.
He sits on a throne of your lies.
Where is she?
Alright. Pick first. Let's go Benji. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan.
I murder your Benji.
Why?
Because he didn't open and then I just kept hitting it.
Senseless acts of fun.
Okay. That was such a quiet just fallout.
Speaking about Fallouts, it came out today. If you care about watching the show, I don't care much about Fallout. Yeah, it came out today.
I didn't know that either.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl.
Well, today, as of recording this, because this video is not going up the same day.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, you're touching me.
Clutch bonus. I'm blue. There we go.
Flip. Oh, I'm blue.
7, 10, 12.
7.
Hey. Look at the golden alien clan symbol there at the bottom.
Alright, 3, 2, 1,
Bakugan.
Oh, I'm open. You're pushing me off of red. What?
I didn't open.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's both Galaxy of Entries out of the way. Pingy and Pingy.
3, 2, 1.
Bakugan. Oh shoot.
Yeah, keep them off.
Yeah, Pingy.
Which one?
The one that's winning.
Dang it. Okay.
Whoa, that was like good versus evil right there.
It's kind of like my internal monologue when you really think about it. Inside of me are 2 wolves. One that sleeps like Hong Chi. The other one that sleeps as me, 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 me.
Okay. Ready?
You wouldn't understand.
Yeah.
This
3, 2, 1. Bakugan. Brawl.
Can you, sir, please? Thank you.
Okay, that's round 2 for you.
Nice.
On to round 3. It is 1-1. Melon is here for just support on both sides.
It's Optimus Prime.
Transformers.
You barely got on the camera. There you go.
Oh,
Alright.
I practiced that noise for the majority of my life.
Same.
Yeah, well, let's hear yours.
Yeah.
No.
No, come on.
You said
no, you can't say
can't
that.
follow
and
up,
then,
Okay, let me hear yours.
No, I just did it. You do yours.
That was
Ooh,
bad.
there was an extra click at the end there. I don't know about that. Wait, hold on. We can. Okay, it's supposed to sound.
Yeah, yours is better.
Are you missing one? Yeah.
Yours is better. Okay. Okay. Oh, I need to shuffle my deck. I'm sorry. I got distracted by Optimus Prime. I need to shuffle my hero cards. I got distracted by Optimus Prime.
As you do. As you do. Okay, I'll start with.
We did it.
No, no, Ventry. I want Ventry.
Alright.
I don't want Ventry. I want Ventry.
Sir, pick your Bakugan.
Alright, 3,
2, 1. Bakugan.
Hit him, Ventry. Go for the neck.
The jugular.
Come on, open.
Just hit the bird. Yeah, hit the bird. Oh.
Yeah! Core Ventry.
Oh, shoot. Core Ventry? I'll still do Pinchy.
Okay.
You just gotta get over the pinching hump.
I do. 3, 2, 1.
Bakugan
Brawl. Just spanking him. You're just spanking him.
Well, you dumped him over the counter and
Okay, that was worth it.
That
That
was-
was great.
Pingy's canceled.
That was amazing. Just blurred the video.
We'll edit.
Ready?
3,
I know how to do
2,
it.
1. Bakugan Brawl. Ooh. Oh! Oh!
I think that's why this stadium is way more fun. Ring out.
And you didn't magnetize.
Dang it.
We're gonna go from this
Listen,
side.
Pingy, I know you got like a pent up rage problem or something, but like,
It's just an angry little guy.
3,
2,
2,
1. Bakugan.
What?
What just happened?
What the heck?
What is this fight? What is this brawl?
I really I don't know why, but I thought he was gonna somehow get back in. I was just waiting for that.
It's that one Beyblade that could actually bounce.
Yeah.
How did he even get out? What
I
happened?
think you had too much speed, so you just went off the edge.
He escaped from the sea.
Ready?
Bang, bang, digga, da, dan, dan, dan. Woo!
Like that. Oh, yeah! Rolling around at the speed of sound.
Why does that happen so much in this game? What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just honestly letting go and just rolling down.
Let go softer.
3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Don't go
Oh,
on the
no.
rut. Don't go on the rut.
Okay. Finally, we have a victor. Oh, yeah. Okay, now it's just my Pingy. Ready?
3, 2.
3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl.
Those hits sound nasty.
We also slid the cards.
Yeah, because this is a cage match right here. There's no escaping.
Got you
That
for
didn't
3
happen
minutes.
up last time.
3 minutes of playtime.
Oh, we're past that. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl.
Whoa. Okay.
Oh, I'm open.
Okay. I am magnetized.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is. Red.
I'm on red.
Yeah, you also moved it over when you did that. So.
I mean, it's still on red.
Well, I'm on green, so that's
Hey.
my worst stat.
Ooh.
816.
I'm at 6.
I get round 3.
You were close.
It's a multiple.
It's 2-1. Two, 1.
Joke's on you. You have to close your Bakugan. I just closed one of them.
It's easy to close them.
Shut up.
Do you know what's easy to close? My fist. And then I punch Yui.
Violence! Ready? Oh, hero cards, hero cards, hero cards.
Sorry, you.
Huh?
That fight's not in your favor.
Oh, I know it isn't.
You'd be thrown in the woods with the.
With all the rag dolls.
Ready?
Who you picking? That guy?
Yeah.
Dude, that guy's an amateur. It's amateur hour over here, okay? I'm picking Penji.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Bakugan draw. Okay.
I think he's magnetized.
I'm front heavy.
I am. Core victory, let's go again. Oh, this is gonna be good.
Yeah.
Okay.
3,
2, 1. Bakugan brawl.
Wow.
Well, that's your core all the way.
Use the other special attack.
No, I need to save it.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Bakugan brawl.
Hit me.
Okay.
No, that's not how. Okay.
Wait,
You're not magnetized.
but that.
And the other
He goes the other way.
I forgot his body pops out on one side.
It's
All
like,
right.
yeah, no, you're not open.
3, 2, 1.
Bakugan brawl.
I
That
just
scared me.
spun it like a little.
Don't magnetize.
Magnetized.
Do not.
Do it. Go for the ball.
Dang it.
Hey!
Alright. Is it gonna tie up here, or is it... It's probably gonna tie up here. 3, 2, 1. Bakugan brawl.
Oh, you almost went out.
Almost.
I'm magnetized.
That was kind of slick. Man.
Cool.
I'm on blue.
I'm on green.
Your worst stat.
What? I'm on green again.
Here we go again.
Yeah, 400.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm at 12.
600. It's another multiple.
You're so close every time.
I'm down to just my core.
Okay.
This is not gonna go well.
Is this for game?
Yeah, this is for you.
This is to tie it up. Well, yes, I could win here, but if he goes to round 4.
Wow.
Ready?
5.
Yes, 5.
3, 2, 1. Bakugan brawl.
It's probably gonna go to round 5. Yep.
Yay!
Round 5. Oh boy.
Remember that song that was like, pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbow.
What?
Yeah, what about it?
Oh, when we said yeah, it sounded just like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo!
That song came on my YouTube page a couple days ago.
That's
Nice.
weird.
Yeah, right?
It's like what? 12 years old?
It was 11.
Oh, so that's nice. That pony dated
Ventry.
Chrysalis.
Who's fit?
Hero cards.
Make sure you reset the hazards.
What was that last one?
The transformer.
Core Ventry. I always get one more. What the frick?
Very on tempo.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Blue.
3, 2, 1. Bakugan brawl.
Oh.
That card's like wobbling. Hey, I got it.
Dang it.
Okay, cool. You're in the game now. EA Sports.
Jolly gas. 3, 2,
2, 1. Bakugan brawl.
Benji, every time.
How does it feel?
You're gonna knock me upright, so it's okay.
No.
Yeah, watch this. Keep the table.
I would call foul on that.
Wait, but you're playing birds. How do you call foul?
I didn't magnetize.
To be fair, I was laughing at him not magnetizing
No,
that.
Oh, that's fair.
He needed to let you know.
I did. Yeah. I don't want to falsely accuse you.
3, 2, 1, Bakugan.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
jeez.
I can play with that.
Oh, dear.
He lost enough momentum.
Oh, my.
You can't stop me.
Oh.
Magnetize, bird.
Uh-oh.
Tails.
Uh-oh, stinky.
Hey, I destroyed you the first 2 rounds.
Stinky bird. Uh-oh.
I destroyed you the first 2 rounds.
But you get destroyed this round.
It's a shame that there's 5 rounds. You.
I also hold the power of this video,
Oh.
so it could not go out.
No.
He's gonna edit you.
3.
Black or Chinese.
3, 2. Focus! Sir.
3, 2.
Bakugan for all.
Oh, that was so funny.
Okay, good.
Okay, what am I on?
Think I'm red?
You're on the line.
Okay, I'll go with let's go with red. Yeah.
I'm also on the line, so I too
You're-
will go on red. I'm on the line.
Are you?
Yes,
Melon? Green or red?
it's on the line.
I have to lift them up a little bit.
Well, aren't you? You're on green.
Okay.
Dang
It
it.
like cuts around your magnet.
Sorry.
If we're going purely by magnet placement, like,
Yeah. What did I say? Oh, I said red. Oh, that's fine. Ooh, actually, I'm on the line.
No, you already said
Okay,
red.
Yeah. Dang. Okay.
5, 6,
None
7,
of
8,
that.
9. I'm at 10,000.
I'm at 11. So 7, 10, 11.
I can still control if this video comes out or not.
Oh, let's go!
banished to the shadow realm of...
And that's how you learn crime doesn't pay and anger doesn't solve your problems.
And the
Stop stealing my title.
The power of video editing.
Oh, battery's dying. We gotta cut it. Bye.
Oh no!